Okay, for Gurley's next project in this nice wet rainy weather, they got 3 4-inch schedule 40 pipe, 8-foot long, and they got some half-inch plate, 12 half-inch plate. They got 4 foot of that. They are going to cut notches in the pipe, and they are going to put tower guide poles together. They're going to weld them up. They'll grind the half-inch plate down and have a V-groove that they will weld to the inside of the notch. They will notch the pipe and weld it to the inside of the pipe, and then weld the outside to the half-inch plate to set up these things, and they will get buried in concrete. Probably have 3 to 4 foot sticking out of the ground, maybe 4, and they will go ahead and put some pieces on there so it doesn't turn on the concrete as well. This is going to be to hold the tower guy wires for the tower they're putting up. They had a friend that did some, and his were pretty cool, so the girls get to do it themselves. They get to weld some 6011 and 7018 after that, and dig those rods deep into that pipe, probably 6 to 8 inches. They may be able to do 6. I may have to do the last 2 for them to really jam it in there, but they'll do that on the first pass, and some 7018 to bring it up, and that is their next project. They're waiting on their computer. They got NUC 13, NUC Pro 13 Rugged. That will come in Thursday. They've got 2 Yaesu 6000s, an FTM 7800, and an Alinco 135. So they're going to hook all 4 radios up to that thing, and this will go on the tower when the tower finally goes up. So they're going to go ahead and get this part ready.